Hello guys, welcome to Fangas. So what's your name? You're not looking at the video now. You have to look at us now. Victoria, well done. Oh. Victoria, can you tell us the process of making Garri like this? Starting from the farm? She should know. Can you tell us the process of making Garri, starting from the farm up to this stage?
Harvest it. The first one is to harvest it.
First cassava, that's fine.
Then
Peel the cassava.
wash it.
Very important. That washing is for what reason? To make it clean so that there won't be stones, sand. That's fine.
Then you grind the garlic.
Yes, using a grinding machine, that big grinding machine. Fine.
Then mix it with
Oil.
yellow garlic.
That is yellow Garri. Sorry.
Then you get inside
Bag, yes.
press it.
For how many days will you do that?
You can leave it for 1 or 2 days.
Are you sure you can do it for one day?
No.
No.
This one is one.
I don't. Did you grinded this one yesterday?
No, different.
That's 2 days. Okay, only yesterday. Okay. Did you know that I work in Garri making factory for 4 years? I used to grind and do the jack for them to remove the water. Are you aware? You don't know. This is what we used to do when we were small. So after leaving it there to remove the water, then what next? So we filter it like what you are doing now, the sieve, that big sieve. So what do you do with the leftover, the shaft on top here? What do you do with it? Oh, you can still grind it. Well, you can dry it, sun dry it. Then when you sun dry it, you can grind it as powder to make eba. Okay. Or like she said, you can give it to hen or animals to eat it raw like this. So you are right. So what's the process of frying it to make the Garri? How many minutes does it take on fire? And what do you do to make it become real Garri that we take? You know, this is just a raw cassava. Like how long does it take on fire?
1 hour.
No, it's not. It's less than that. It cannot take 1 hour. If you have good fire, it doesn't take 1 hour. Maybe 30 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay. So do we have it on fire now so that I can capture it?
No.
It's not yet. That one will not make my video complete. Oh. It's alright. So we put it on fire, then we begin to stir it and moving it around while the fire is burning. Then you see it in hot, air coming out of it. Then the fire will cook it in a way. Then it will still dry it. So after drying, it becomes Garri. Yeah. In some places, they will not dry it enough on the fire. After the fire has cooked it and it's a little bit dry, they will not spread it inside sun again to dry it finally. So well done. So let's tell people to like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up, and then smash the notification bell so that when I bring interesting video like this, you get notified. We're in the process of making Garri, and this is the last process of making the Garri. You see this beautiful lady stirring the Garri inside the pot while fire is under. You can see she's even doing it with both hands, 2 pots, and Garri powder has been poured and she's stirring it. You can see that all right. We continue. Okay. She will stir it until it is dry.